LotPlot includes a grouping feature that makes it much easier to manage sets of drawing objects. For example, here I have a house pad, a deck, and a pool. And if I want to move them, I have to select each one, and then I can move it. And if I don't like where I move them, then I'll have to go through the entire process again. Now let's do it using the group command. By turning the objects into a group, I can work with them as if they were just a single object. So to create the groups, the first step is to select each of the objects, and then click the Modify menu, and then the Group command. Now let's start the Move command and try moving them. This time, when I click on one of the objects, all of them are selected together. And when I move them, they all move together. This indeed makes them much easier to handle. But suppose now that I want to just move or edit the swimming pool. I can't, because when I click it, the entire group is selected. What I need to do is ungroup these objects. And to do that, I select the group and then go to the Modify menu and use the Ungroup command. And now I can once again select the individual items. Now you can have as many groups as you want, and groups can even contain other groups. There's one thing to keep in mind though when working with groups. In a lot of these videos I've been using the Edit Properties command to access various properties of the objects that I'm working with. This command only works with one object at a time, so if you want to use the Edit Properties command with an object and that object is part of a group, you will have to ungroup it first.